It is your lucky day. I am here with a tutorial. My name is Meredith. I am the blogger and creator of artsandclassy.com. I've been doing this since 2012, and along the way I have really started to grow a passion for flipping furniture. It started with just trying to decorate my home on a budget and not having a huge budget to, really splurge on really expensive furniture. I really had to focus on working with what I had and or finding things on the side of the road, which I know to some people sounds dingy, but honestly, you would be surprised at the perfectly good, great condition stuff that gets left on the side of the road for no reason, basically just because people don't want to haul it wherever they're going, or maybe they're redecorating and they don't think, oh, maybe I should take this to the thrift store, or maybe I should post this up on Craigslist to see if someone wants it. They literally just leave it on the curb. And I've been very fortunate that I lived in some really great areas where a lot of people do this. So it's really worked to my benefit. Basically, I'm here today to share a new project that I worked on recently. It is, they are some Ikea chairs, and they look like they are the same model, but maybe they were purchased at different times because the way that the seats were fastened and some of the hardware that came with it was a little different. And obviously the colors of the chairs were different as well. So the behind the story of this project is I moved in with my boyfriend at the end of 2018. And as we were combining furniture, because I have a lot of stuff, he had a lot of stuff, but we were able to really blend everything really nicely because we each had what the other person didn't. So it really worked out well. But these two Ikea chairs were satellites in his place. And I honestly did not know what his motivation was with keeping them, if he wanted to use them somewhere specifically, or if they were just taking up space. He was really kind to let me have them as a DIY project. And so they lived in the garage for a few months because I had shoulder surgery last year. And it really, really, really was exciting to get started on these now that I'm feeling more like myself again. I want to share this tutorial with you. Let's get to it. me know in the comments below. These chairs were really fun to work on. I really thought a pop of color would be really awesome. They were really honestly inspired by Betsy Johnson, the designer. If you're not familiar with Betsy Johnson, she has done a lot of stuff in the past where she has like bright floral prints, and this honestly was kind of a tribute to her. I also want to thank Deco Art. They are also part of the reason this project was able to happen. They sent me the chalk paint that I used in this tutorial, and that chalk paint color was called Refreshing. It's kind of like a minty green color. I wanted to say thank you to them. If you really enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to hit that like button, that thumbs up, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see more videos when I upload them immediately, make sure you hit that bell next to the subscribe button. Anyways guys, I will see you in my next video.